So I was kind of surprised to see this still on the menu at Wendy's. I thought it was like a limited time only burger, but apparently they have the Bourbon Bacon Burger. It's really good, to be honest. It's a really good burger. Got the square Wendy's hamburger there. It's got the bacon. It's got the fried. Onions and bacon. It's got the barbecue sauce and the American cheese. Apparently, it's not a limited time only thing because they had it during the summer, last summer. I mean, not this summer, last summer, and it was pretty good. It's not the best burger in the world. I mean, I had better burgers at like Burger King and McDonald's. Well, Burger King, but this is probably one of the best burgers. I rarely go to Wendy's because I'm not a big fan of their food, but I wanted to go to Wendy's today because I wanted to see if they had the peppermint frosty, and they didn't. So unfortunately, I couldn't try it again. I had tried it last year in December, but I wanted to try it without the chocolate frosty, but they didn't have it. So whatever. Anyway, pretty good. On scale rating 1 to 10, I give this a 7 out of 10. Peace.